Today, we're making a unique side salad that your guests are gonna rave about.
Carrots and raisins all mixed together with this wonderful homemade curry dressing.
Serve this up at your next outdoor barbecue or family gathering.
And your guests will gobble it up. Gobble, gobble. Or
bunny hopping. I know,
yeah,
they're gonna love the carrots. It's so good, it's spectacular. So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My uniquely wonderful Loon.
Oh, that's so sweet.
It's kind of like this salad. It's. You may be thinking that's weird. A curry dressing with it all just comes together.
I love it so much.
And so
normally, like people put pineapple or orange juice in it, but no, we've got some curry going on.
It's really good. So
Speaking of curry,
yeah. So look at
this
So
homemade curry.
This is homemade curry. You can get great curry powder from the store, no doubt about it.
Or you can make it yourself.
And it's so much easier to make it. You can't believe how easy it is.
It's so good.
So let me tell you how easy it is. So first of all, you're going to get a small skillet over medium heat, and you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cardamom seeds. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds.
Yeah, you said it. You
The
did
3
it.
C's, and then say that 10 times really fast. And then you're just gonna let that just get very aromatic. It's gonna smoke just a little bit.
Don't kind of toast it.
It gets it kind of toasty. Just do it for a couple minutes. Don't have the heat too high because you do not want to burn those seeds. Then you're gonna transfer that as best you can into a small little bowl and let it cool off. Then we are going to add a tablespoon plus a teaspoon of ground turmeric, that beautiful yellow orange.
Yes.
Incredible spice. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of ground mustard and then a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you like a little more heat, you could do a 1/2 teaspoon or even up to a teaspoon. Then we're going to transfer I just like to mix that around.
Just mix it
Just
in.
why not? And then we're going to dump that, get out your old trusty coffee grinder or spice
From back
grinder.
in the day.
Back in the day.
When you used to grind your own coffee beans.
We still have that. So I put that in there, and then you just grind it for about 30 seconds, open it up, and then get a little spoon and just push that down around the blade again. Grind it again for another 30 to 60 seconds. And folks, you have homemade curry powder.
It's amazing. Yes.
It is incredible.
And it's so good. You put it in like, a lot of
like
other
chicken salad and all kinds of powder.
Oh, yeah, your Jamaican turkey burgers?
Yes,
oh,
it's so
God.
good.
All right, so I'm going to make the dressing real quick. I've got a 1/3 cup of, 3/4 a cup of homemade mayonnaise. Obviously, you can get your own mayonnaise.
We're not going to show you how we made the homemade mayonnaise. You could watch another episode for that. But it also is really easy.
It is.
Just saying.
All right, and then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this wonderful
That looks homemade
curry powder. Oh, I love it. That was a little heaping. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
And then I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons of salt.
So this can all really take a decent amount of salt.
And then I'm going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So good. You sure don't want to add a little more?
No, it's good. Okay.
Then a healthy pinch of pepper. And then I'm going to do the juice of a lemon.
Oh, it's so bright. It's just
good.
this wonderful combination of flavors.
So good.
So while he's doing that,
I can put this on anything other than just the salad.
I know it is really, really good. So okay.
Hold
So now
on,
while
there we
he's
go.
doing that, let's talk about it's really a super simple salad to make too. These are shredded carrots I just got from the store. Now you can get them; they're bagged over, usually off to the side in the produce section. If not, you can get you can julienne them yourselves. But
Isn't
anyway,
it wonderful when you can buy things already cut?
I love it. So anyway, it costs a little more, but boy, is it worth it. So this is a pound of shredded carrots. And then I've got 2 cups of nice, plump, juicy, delicious raisins. And then we're going to add some parsley just to give it another little depth of flavor. This is a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. I'm going to leave a little bit of it behind, so you know what I like to do, and that's garnish my salad.
You like to garnish it. And then you want to add your dressing.
And now we're going to
all
add
of it, yeah?
Yeah, you're probably going to want to get
Let me just dump and then I'll scoop it out. There you go.
Here, I can help you. So this is so great. We have brought this to barbecues. I mean, it's that time of the year when we're filming this, when outdoor barbecue season is heating up. And so every time we've ever brought this, people are like, that's unusual. Let me try that. And I cannot believe how many times people ask for the recipe, and we say, well, go to howtofeedaloon.com.
Do you want to use both of them and do like a toss?
That's all right. I mean, we can.
Whatever.
So
Look at that.
Isn't that just look beautiful? And I just love food that is not only super delicious, but is also really just beautiful.
I just salivated in
I
your
know.
ear.
I can smell. That's what I heard. Okay, so now what you could do is you could cover this. You need to let it. It's best if it chills for a little bit. I'd say at a minimum of an hour. How do we want to do this?
There you go. Just pour it all in.
You could let it go for up to 4 hours. The great thing about this is it really, I would say you want to serve it within 4 hours of preparing it. But I made it not too long ago, and we made it early in the day, evening time.
Look at how cute that is.
People were still around, and it was still delicious. You just give it a toss, and it's great. Everything is fresh. Nothing's going to go bad. So now we probably should cover that.
Yeah.
And then we're going to chill it for an hour, and then we're going to dig in. Yay!
It's time!
I love this
look
salad.
at that, y'all. Oh.
I mean, we could just sit here and eat this. It's really.
You know what? Why don't we just grab our forks and just eat right out of it?
Well, that's a good idea. I really, but it's such a great compliment to your great barbecue type main meals.
Perfect.
See now,
next to a plate of ribs, this is delicious.
Oh, exactly. Look at that. So now I would definitely recommend after it's been sitting a little bit, some of that dressing is going to settle a little bit.
On the
So
bottom
just
there, just get it all
stir it
mixed
around
up.
in there.
Oh yes!
Oh, this is
I
fantastic.
love this salad so much.
Can you tell we're excited?
When Chris first made it, I was like, "Are you nuts?"
I know.
You're nuts.
I know. I was, well, anyway. So I'm going to give you a nice big
Yes,
helping.
just do it. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, I forgot to hear. I'll give you a little.
Oh, perfect. Oh, look at that. My own
Look
little
at that.
spring. My only little sprank.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys.
I've-
Look at how wonderful that looks.
Okay.
Now, if you don't like carrots, you won't like the salad.
I've got a little story about that, but let's
right.
dig in. I'm just gonna scoop this up.
Me too. Oh, hold on. I gotta get it. Look at me. I'm like having trouble. All right. It tastes really good chilled. I'd eat it warm.
That dressing. So here's the funny story.
Holy, right.
You can set this out, and people will say, "Oh, that looks really good. It's a carrot and raisin salad," and we've done that before, and I've not mentioned that it has a curry dressing in it. And I know I have family members that they say, "I do not like curry." They were like, "This is so good. It's so interesting.
good.
What's that? What is that? Curry?" Oh, well, I like it. So, I mean, it's not an overpowering curry flavor. It's just a great.
So good.
The sweetness of I'm doing all the talking. The sweetness of the raisins, with a little bit of that warming heat from the curry.
Y'all. I'm sorry, I stuck a whole bunch in my mouth. I feel like a rabbit. No. Oh.
I love the raisins.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm listening.
You're listening to me too.
Oh well.
That is 10,000% Loon approved.
Yes.
Oh, y'all.
I love a good side salad.
Make this. You'll be pleasantly surprised. I was.
I know you are. It's just like at Thanksgiving. Sometimes the sides outshine the main dishes.
Yeah.
This is one of those that people are going to be raving about.
Y'all. Make it.
Make a side salad.
Have a fun summer, a safe summer,
And eat carrots.
Yeah.
All right, bye everybody. We love you. It improves your vision.